Hello everyone, from Inspire Infotech Ranebennur. Today we are explaining about steam sanitization system. The components we used in this steam sanitization systems are power boards, connecting wires, steam converter, IR and the IR sensor. Steam sterilization is a standard tool in the field of healthcare and medical equipment as it is economical, effective and reliable. Considering the increase of antibiotic resistance and the challenge in sterilizing narrow tubes used for keyhole surgery, a safe process control is required. To achieve this, a full understanding of the local dynamics of the sterilization process inside the sterilizer is crucial. In this work, water condensation under high temperature and high pressure, focusing on sterilization conditions, is qualitatively analyzed. An infrared sensor system was designed supplied by two LEDs at a steam absorbing and a non-absorbing wavelength respectively. The local water vapor concentration was directly detected by evaluating the absorbance of infrared light as it passes through steam, based on with respect to saturation and the onset of condensation. For typical sterilization cycles, differences as well as identical behavior between the local sensor measurements and the global results calculated from the temperature and pressure sensors are discussed. Usually, when the people want to wash their hands, they should wash their hands with water. Steam purification program is the design and handling of equipment to help people clean their hands instead of washing their hands. The operational principle of the project is to use a steam generator where the water is heated in a coil, which is kept at temperature. The thermostat is fixed in a tank and it is set to a constant temperature. When a person holds their hand to clean the sensor, their hands and the healing supply thermostat is turned into steam. Now, the steam is injected into the person's hand so that he can get his hand sanitizer. The vapor and thermal efficiency of the steam can be adjusted by controlling the flow of water through the sensor at the temperature of the thermostat. Quick to dry for hard surfaces, highly effective clean, less chemicals, steam cleaning equipment can be used on multiple surfaces, easier to maintain are the advantages of this system. Steam cleaning equipment may come at a higher price. The steam is incredibly hot. Cleaning more often, long drying times for carpet is the disadvantages of this steam sanitizer system. Applications of this system are uses in food industry for cleaning vegetables. Bottling and filling lines are the last steps in which the product can be microbiologically compromised. Industrial dry vapor system cleaners are an excellent tool to clean and sanitize the lines without introducing any chemical or product that might affect and even contaminate flavors. Dry steam is the successfully proven alternative to traditional hospital cleaning and provides a chemical-free solution able to kill germs, pathogens and harmful bacteria on contact. Is an environment where highly demanding procedures and protocols are required. These were used if the IR sensor senses anything called things or a hand. When the person's hand went into this hole, the IR sensor gives the input to the steam converter and it converts water or sanitizer into the steam and it is used to clean our hands or dry soap carefully and quickly.